Week 9 video essay, we're going to describe the processes involved in ventilation, which are inspiration and expiration. Inspiration is basically just air coming into the lungs, and expiration is air moving from the lungs outward. The lung is the main organ involved in these processes, and the diaphragm and external intercostal muscles are the main muscles used in these processes also. The diaphragm is located underneath the lungs, and the external intercostal muscles are located between the ribs. Gases naturally move from an area of higher pressure to lower pressure. Outside the body, we have the atmospheric pressure, which is equal to 760 millimeters of mercury, and inside your lungs, what we call the intrapulmonary pressure is also equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. So during inspiration, the diaphragm and the external intercostal muscles contracts. The diaphragm moves inferiorly and the external intercostal muscles move outward, and that creates more volume inside the lungs. With the more volume inside the lungs, the pressure decreases inside the lungs, which causes now a difference in atmospheric pressure and intrapulmonary pressure. So gas moves from the atmospheric pressure, which is higher, to the lungs, which is now lower, the intrapulmonary, and tries to equal those pressures out. The opposite happens during expiration. The diaphragm dilates and the external intercostal muscles dilate, which means they relax. And once those muscles relax, it makes less room for gas inside the lungs. So there's a decrease in volume, which means an increase in pressure. So naturally, gases move from an area of high pressure to low pressure. So gases move outside the lungs back into the atmosphere to try to balance out those differences in pressure.